Alright, guys. Wait, hold on. Let me just check if this is recorded real quick. I think. Yes, it is. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. Hey guys. Welcome back. Today, we're beating Martlet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So peak video never happening until you get better internet or a better device. So, alrighty, let's go. Let's go. Already read this. Yeah, thanks. Getting hit with coffee, loser. I actually really like Violet, one of my favorite characters in Undertale Yellow. This and their theme is one of the best. No way. That's my fault. That's not my fault. Okay, she's actually spawn camping me. Idiot. I don't know why I'm being so mean, bro. World's easiest attack. I then like die to it later. Oh. Oh. I'm honestly starting to feel bad. What if I spare her? She's just like a papyrus. She. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, Violet. Why are we dropping bowling balls on me? Yeah, I don't care about no corn dog. Oh shoot, this is like Jebel's third carousel attack. Oh my god. I always... Okay. Oh, it's fine. I always hated Jebel's carousel attack. You made me lose so many runs, dude. It's just because I'm that cool. I would probably heal, honestly. Like, should I eat my hop? Or teenage HP. Did we already do this attack? There's X, right? Okay. Why? Why? I had to. I misclicked. Is she flirting with me? Stop flirting with me. Twitter bird looking at. Excuse me. I don't know how I feel. What's this way? Oh. Did she make... Did she make her boat out of the dock? I think that's what happened. Is there? No? Okay. Yeah, sure. Hey, she said the funny word soul. Like the old Forsaken owner. Ooh. Is the raft gonna go on without her? Oh my god. You... Is she still trying to flirt with me? After this cutscene, or next save point, I'll end the video. So... Chujin. Chew, like he chews stuff?
I'm being held at gunpoint to say these, by the way.
I didn't mean to. If I say 3, will she stop flirting with me or keep flirting with me? I'll pick 3. I'm goodly goodness. It's... I don't even know. I hated them. 23. Wait, so there's a little leak? Wait. Are we serious? We're going to go to a waterfall? You're joking. Are we going to... I thought we were gonna... what's going on? Are we gonna go down a waterfall? I don't know if this is a good idea. You idiot. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, oh no. How am I not dead? Like, dude. What's in here? Yes. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yes, please. Okay. What's this first of all? Uh-oh. What's this? I don't know why we couldn't open it. Okay, well, I'm just gonna save again real quick, make sure. Claustrophobic, you live in the ground. Okay, well. That's it for today's video. Pretty short, I know. I'm gonna make a Roblox one later. It's okay. Yeah. See ya. Okay, so